Hello students! Welcome to this module on refrigeration and air conditioning. In this session, we are going to learn about identifying 3 and 4 door no frost refrigerators.
Objectives. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to identify a 3-door refrigerator, identify a 4-door refrigerator, identify a normal refrigerator, distinguish between a normal refrigerator, 3 and 4-door refrigerators. Let us now take a look at the tools, equipment, and consumables needed for identifying 3 and 4-door no-frost refrigerators. Tools, equipments, and consumables. Line tester, screwdriver, cutting plier, 3-door refrigerator, 4-door refrigerator, clean cloth. Now, let us see the preparations needed for identifying 3 and 4-door no-frost refrigerators. A 3-door refrigerator has 3 separate doors, 2 for the refrigerator compartment and 1 for the freezer compartment. Most refrigerators either have side-by-side doors or French door designs. In a side-by-side model, the refrigerator and freezer compartments are vertically divided, each with its own door opening from the center. In a French door model, the refrigerator compartment is on top with 2 doors and the freezer is a drawer-style compartment at the bottom. Look for manufacturer information on a sticker or label inside the refrigerator, around the door frame, or on the back. This label typically includes the model number, serial number, and sometimes the refrigerator's style. Measure the width of the refrigerator to confirm if it is wider than the standard models, as 3-door refrigerators often have increased capacity. Identify the 3-door refrigerator, inspect its construction, and label the parts. Incandescent light in selected models. LED light in selected models. Flipper guide. Ice maker. Ice bin. Water filter. Dairy compartment. Air filter. Spill safe shelves. Can rack in selected models. Flipper mullion. Crisper dryer. Store more dryer. Door bin. Adjustable hinges. Freezer baskets. Toe grill. Task 2. Identify a 4-door no-frost refrigerator. A 4-door refrigerator, as the name suggests, will have 4 separate doors. Examine the refrigerator by opening it and counting the number of doors. There will be typically 2 doors for the refrigerator compartment and 2 doors for the freezer compartment. 4-door refrigerators are generally wider than traditional standard models due to their increased capacity. Measure the width of the refrigerator to confirm if it is wider than standard models. Manufacturers usually place a sticker or label inside the refrigerator, around the door frame, or on the back of the appliance containing information such as the model number, serial number, and sometimes the configuration, style of the refrigerator. Identify the 4-door refrigerator by visually inspecting its construction and parts. Label the parts based on the visual inspection. Incandescent light in selected models. LED light in selected models. Flipper guide. Ice maker. Ice bin. Water filter. Dairy compartment. Air filter. Spill safe shelves. Can rack in selected models. Flipper mullion. Crisper dryer. Store more dryer. Door bin. Now, let us see the process for identifying 3 and 4 door no frost refrigerators. Task 3. Distinguish between a normal refrigerator and a 3 and 4 door no frost refrigerator. Examine the construction and design features of both refrigerators. Identify key differences between the two types of refrigerators and make notes accordingly. Normal refrigerators. Standard refrigerators usually come in a single or double door design with one door for the refrigerator compartment and other for the freezer. These refrigerators commonly include a top or bottom freezer compartment accessed through a single door. Standard models often offer fewer shelves, compartments, and door bins, providing limited organization options for food items. Standard models have a smaller storage capacity compared to 3 or 4 door models. Standard refrigerators come with basic features such as temperature control, interior lighting, and adjustable shelves, but do not offer advanced features. 3 and 4 door refrigerators. These refrigerator models have 3 in the case of 3 door or 4 in the case of 4 door separate doors, creating distinct compartments for various types of food. Most 3 and 4 door models follow a French door style for the refrigerator section, offering broad and convenient access. With more shelves, drawers, and door bins, they provide better organization and storage options for various food items. 3 and 4 door refrigerators generally have larger capacities, providing more storage space for groceries and items of different sizes. These models often come with separate freezer compartments or drawers, making it easier to organize and find frozen foods. They may include external ice and water dispensers, exact temperature control for different compartments, and settings that save energy. These refrigerators usually have adjustable shelves and dividers to adjust for bigger or differently shaped items. Some models come with energy-saving features, improving power consumption compared to standard refrigerators. 3 and 4 door refrigerators usually look modern and attractive, making them stand out in kitchens because of their stylish design. Recap.
In this topic, we came to know about how to identify a 3-door refrigerator, identify a 4-door refrigerator, identify a normal refrigerator, distinguish between a normal refrigerator, 3 and 4-door refrigerators. I hope you all understood the process of identifying 3 and 4-door no frost refrigerators. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.